OnePlus 8 is the company's latest flagship smartphone and comes packed with top-of-the-line features. Let's take a look at the top 5 features of the OnePlus 8. OnePlus 8 has an elegant design and feels very premium in the hand. It uses an aluminum frame for durability along with a layer of Gorilla Glass 5 on the back for additional protection. The phone is fairly slim at 8mm and is lightweight at 180 grams, which makes it pretty handy. OnePlus 8 features a big and bright display that uses an AMOLED panel with a Full HD Plus resolution. It supports 90Hz high refresh rate that ensures a smooth viewing experience. It also comes in handy when playing games, and you will experience a seamless transition between animations as well. The phone also has an in-display fingerprint sensor. OnePlus 8 is powered by top-of-the-line Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset that provides up to 25% faster performance than previous generation chipsets. It is paired with an octa-core CPU with a maximum clock speed of up to 2.84 GHz and Adreno 650 as the GPU. The Snapdragon 865 processor also brings 5G support to the phone as it has a dedicated X55 5G modem. OnePlus 8 comes equipped with a triple camera setup on the back. It has a 48 megapixel primary camera with OIS support that lets you take pictures and videos with remarkable clarity. The secondary 16 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera has a 116-degree field of view that allows you to fill your frame with more elements, which is useful when capturing landscapes. Then there's the 2 megapixel macro camera that allows you to go up close to your subject and create a much detailed photo. OnePlus 8 has a 4300 mAh battery with support for 30-watt fast charging out of the box. OnePlus says that with its Warp Charge 30T adapter, the phone can be charged up to 50% in just 22 minutes. So that was a brief look at the top 5 features of the OnePlus 8. Thanks for watching.